Hey, what is up, everyone? Here's how to change product background with AI. So, as you can see, I have this particular product right here that I'm going to show you as of the moment, and it has just this white background, as you can see, and we're going to go ahead and make some few changes here. So, instead of this white background, we're going to go ahead and put something in here, something that will fit for this particular picture. So, first things first, let's go to this particular application here. It's Flare.ai, or you can just go ahead and type app.flare.ai and you will be redirected here. Now, I have already logged in, so just go ahead and log in, but you can definitely use this one for free. You don't have to pay on hand. So here in the assets, I have already uploaded the picture. So this is what it is. If I'm going to click this one, you can see that now we can add it in this particular picture here. So that is where we are going to do. Now, apart from this one, you also have here different options. For example, you have this particular product here that is already added beforehand. This is added by the company already, so you can go ahead and make practice of these. So I'm going to use this particular application, or this particular picture rather, and we're going to go ahead and make this as a sample. All right, now I have placed it. We're going to go ahead and click the generate button, and here in the generate button, what we're going to do is just basically type something. For example, this one here, I'm just going to go ahead and type it in here. This is a bottle. Yeah, that is a bottle actually. However, we're going to go ahead and put it here. So after putting the bottle or the product itself, we're going to go ahead and type the background. So here in front of, you can change this one, or you can change it to against, with. So for example, in front of, I'm going to go ahead and basically type here anything, or you can just go ahead and choose here for something. For example, here the Amalfi Coast in the background, desert in the background, mountains in the background, basically anything that you want. So just go ahead and choose what you want here, or type anything on your own. For example, like that, I have chosen orange sunset in the background. Now, placement. So go ahead and click this one here, and you have here different options. So on, standing on, lying on, balancing on, buried in, emerging from. So we're going to go ahead and try to check buried in. So again, this is sunset. Go ahead and click this one, and we're going to go ahead and look for like sand. Now, number of results, you can go ahead and make use of the following. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, decide which one. I'm going to go ahead and set this to 2 because I want to see more pictures as much as possible. Now, you have here render strength, color strength, and outline strength. It's up to you if you're going to use this, but I'm going to leave them as default. I think that is the best way to do it. And then real-time preview, go ahead and click the generate button here. So you will see it appear in here. All right, just like that. As you can see, we have the picture here. That's the first one. You also have here the second one. The image that I use is not that very ideal. As you can see, there's kind of like this white outline. That is because in our assets, it has this white background. Yep, just go ahead and choose your own. Make sure that it is going to be a better one than this one. But yeah, that's just basically how you're going to do it. It's actually very simple. Of course, you can go ahead and make use of the other settings here in order for you to make this as perfect or as desirable as you want. And go ahead and try to explore this one. This is actually very simple. And as you can see, we now have our own product, and it has an AI generated background that I think looks very cool. So we were able to produce these amazing pictures using Flare.ai. Congratulations, everybody. That's how you're going to do it. Should you wish to see more of these videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Have a good day, everyone.